PMP Certification Exam Preparation Program provided by ARLearners. Course Progress of PMP Project Management Framework, Project Management Processes, Project Integration Management, Project Scope Management, Project Time Management, Project Cost Management. Course Progress, Project Quality Management, Project HR Management, Project Communication Management, Project Risk Management, Project Procurement Management, Project Stakeholders Management, Professional and Social Responsibility. About the PMP training. Total of 14 lessons including this introduction. The remainder of the training will be divided as follows. Lesson 1. Introduction to the PMP course. What are PMI and PMP certification? The following are important terms and concepts related to your certification. PMI, Project Management Institute. PMP, Project Management Professional. CCR, Continuing Certification Requirements. PDU, Professional Development Unit. PMBOK Guide, a guide to the project management body of knowledge. PMBOK Guide is a textbook for the PMP exam. REP, Registered Education Provider. Lesson 2. Project Management Framework. Objectives. Recognize the roles of Project Management Office. Describe different organization structures. Differentiate between project life cycle and product life cycle. Define and understand project management process map and framework. Advantages and disadvantages of organizational structures. The advantages and disadvantages of organizational structures shown in table. Lesson 3. Project Management Processes. Objectives. Describe process group interactions. Identify the inputs and actions of project management process groups. Lesson 4. Project Integration Management. Objectives. Define project integration management. Explain various project selection methods. Describe the project integration management processes. Project Integration Management. Projects are iterative in nature with links among processes requiring integration. Lesson 5. Project Scope Management. Objectives. Define project scope management. Explain work breakdown structure. Differentiate between project scope and product scope. What is project scope management? The definition of project scope management is as follows. Lesson 6. Project Time Management. Objectives. Define project schedule management. Explain project schedule, Gantt charts, and network diagrams. Explain various schedule network analysis techniques. Project Time Management. The definition of project schedule management is as follows. Project schedule management includes processes required to manage timely completion of the project. Lesson 7. Project Cost Management. Objectives. Define project cost management. Explain control accounts. Describe the project cost management processes. Project Cost Management. The definition of project cost management is as follows. Lesson 8. Project Quality Management. Objectives. Define quality and quality management. Explain cost of quality and its categories. Explain the 7 basic tools of quality. Quality. The definition of quality is as follows. Quality is the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfills requirements. Lesson 9. Project HR Management. Objectives. Define project resource management. Describe the project resource management processes. Differentiate between functional manager and project manager. Project resource management. The definition of project resource management is as follows. Lesson 10. Project communication management. Objectives. Explain the elements of a basic communication model. Define communication and project communications management. Identify the different communication methods, technology, and channels. Communication. The definition of communication is as follows. Communication is a two-way process of transferring information from one entity to another. Lesson 11. Project risk management. Objectives. Define risk. Identify different categories of risk. Describe project risk management processes. Risk. Risk is an uncertain event or condition that, if it occurs, has a positive or negative effect on one or more of a project's objectives. Lesson 12. Project procurement management. Objectives. Define contract. Differentiate between centralized and decentralized contracting. Explain the different types of contract. Contracts. A contract represents a mutually binding agreement that obligates the seller to provide the specified products, services, or results and obligates the buyer to provide the monetary or other valuable consideration in return. A contract can also be called an agreement, understanding, undertaking, or a purchase order. Lesson 13. Project stakeholder management. Objectives. Define stakeholders. List the skills needed to manage stakeholders. Identify different stakeholders on a project. Stakeholders. An individual, group, or organization who may be affected by, or perceive itself to be affected by a decision, activity, or outcome of a project, program, or portfolio. Stakeholders. Examples. Different examples of stakeholders are as follows. Project managers, project team members, senior management, sponsors, customers, end users, vendors, people affected by project's output, competitors, social groups, government and political leadership. Lesson 14. Professional and social responsibility. Objectives. Identify the professional and social obligations of project managers. Explain how to ensure individual integrity. Identify ways to contribute to project management knowledge base. Code of Ethics. The PMI registered trademark has established a set of guidelines for code of ethics and professional conduct for certified PMP professionals to follow. It describes the expectations that the project managers should have of themselves and their fellow practitioners in the global project management community. Workshop objectives. The following are the workshop objectives. Agenda. What are PMP registered trademark and PMI registered trademark? Applying for the PMP exam. Completing the application. About the PMP registered trademark exam. PMP registered trademark exam syllabus. What are PMP and PMI? PMP, Project Management Professional. PMI, Project Management Institute. PDU, Professional Development Unit. PMBOK Guide, a guide to the project management body of knowledge. PMBOK Guide is the textbook on which the PMP registered trademark exam is based. Applying for the PMP registered trademark exam. Completing the PMP application. PMP Registered Trademark Exam Syllabus. 5 process groups: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, closing. About the PMP Registered Trademark Exam. About the PMP Registered Trademark Exam. Thank you for watching this video. For further information, please contact us info@ARLearners.com.